Yo, who's out there? Who's out there? Cyberpie, Big Kai, Alexander, Marco, JP, Doomlord, Renee, Markman, V33. Yeah, it's quick. It's quick. Like I don't know what bank you're using. I think you said something. Well, I do remember. The money hits mine pretty much once I withdraw. Once I hit that proceed button, and I say send it to this account, the money comes quick. What's up, JK, Maximus, Benny, Road Dog? Yo, Maximus, the only thing I'll say about your situation is, and I get it, bro. If that's what you want to do, then do it. That's what you feel like you need to do. Just know that you're fucking right there on the edge of having a major breakthrough because of how you're feeling right now. You know what I'm saying? That's how breakthroughs usually work. Trend friend, what up? Road Dog, David. David Goggins is here. Oh, David Godin. Or is it Godin? He's here. David Goggins is here, yo. Spider Lily, what's up? But yeah, I fucking blew my Take Profit Trader account. So much for that. And I was right. I'm just a fucking dumb fuck, and I went against my rightness. The usual shit. What up, Sean? Miss Goody. I can't show you the trade because, you know, they close out blown accounts pretty quick. They just wipe them. They wipe them clean as if I was hiding my account numbers. So no one knows what I'm up to, you know? But I'll show you guys in a sec. I'll show you guys one sec. Let me turn my screen sharing on. Apex is 80% off again, by the way. Apex is 80% off. So I went in long here. Well, I got yo-yoed around here. I thought we were going to bounce here. This was the bottom orb on the New York Open. So then I get in. After finally deciding to just go long, I get in at 499. I take it to 513. I got shaken out at 513. When I get shaken out is when I get into trouble. Because instead of just going back in long, we're just letting it fucking go. I got fucking stopped out for a gain. I think I was up at that point like 300 something bucks. And I started to go against it because we were approaching the VWAP. And it just kept going. It kept going and going and going. And all I had to do was just ride that shit out. Did I need to go all the way to 70? No, but man. Excuse me. It's just fucking blows. But I did get 3 payouts out of that one account. And I got paid 4 days in a row. And this fucking 150K, Doomlord, what up? We'll see. Yeah, Sean. And then I blew my 25K that I had up 500 bucks yesterday. But this 150K is passed, right? But not completely. It's not officially passed. But today's day 4. I'm good on the 50% consistency. Tomorrow, I'll just get my flip day in. And then on Monday, I'll see what I can do. You know, it's a 150K, so I got to get that shit up big. But we'll see. We will see. Let me just make sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'm looking on my other computer. I'm pretty sure I'm good. On the day. Yeah. I'm at. I started the day at 49.96%, my biggest day. So now I'm up another 25 bucks. So I get a little bit more breathing room. Tomorrow when I flip them, when the market reopens, I'll pick a fucking dead time like around here and just flip a micro real quick. And then I'll be good to go for Monday. If I can't get the job done on Monday, I finished a month just under $7,600 in payouts. Not the end of the world. And then the only other shit I traded was this Apex account. These 3. I could be up so much more, but I'm a fucking pussy, right? I got fucking tired of waiting for this. And then I got stopped out. I was down a fuck ton. I was getting fucked around with over here. And then My first trade, though, I was up as much as $600. Got out for a $330 gain. And then it might have been a little less after fees. And then after that, I almost fucking blew the account. I got hit with this. My stop, I don't think my stop was up here. I think I got taken out because it was like a dildo candle. And there is that right there is a potential violation of the 30% drawdown rule. So we'll see what happens with that. Let's see if I can even get to a fucking payout. Seems like I've been doing much better on these shorter periods of time type accounts. You know, I couldn't get the job done with bulenox. I have another funded bulenox account I got to activate. Yo, Jim Blob, what up? Ian Connor. Nope, no more payouts for me. I'm done. I blew it. I blew the account. Look, it's gone. I fucked it up. All I had to do was hold this long and not fucking go against what I thought was happening. It literally went from the bottom up to the top orb. I just have to remember that after the market opens, like, look right here. I mean, it dipped below the bottom orb, and then it went all the way up, back to the top orb, and I went against it. All I had to do was just stay with it. It literally went from the bottom to the top. It'll do that, you know, in the first little, you know, it was like 10 o'clock. I'm fucking annoyed. And then it kept going up. I mean, but forget about all that. I could have been done for the day. I could have had like a $2,000 day, but it is what it is. Pommy, what up? Oh, we got auction in 40 minutes. The 15-minute VWAP. Well, let's see. It didn't quite get there. Well, over here. It went way below the VWAP here. Let me go to the 15. It went way below the VWAP. It went to the top orb. That's the other thing I saw. I saw this. I'm like, oh shit, it dipped below. We're at the top orb. And I got fucking fucked around with here. I should have just stayed in my original position. But I was like, I got scared. I was like, it's gonna keep going down. It's fucking right after the open and shit. Nice job, Pommy. Oh, yeah, do more. Shit like that. Yeah, it's fucking annoying, bro. It's fucking annoying. Hard hat, what up, bro? Yeah, in hindsight. Investors. Futures trader. Chopsticks, what up? Warjan. Yeah, you know, I'm still learning, right? All I could do is just take it and remember. At least do my best to remember for the next time. It bounced right off of this level here. Basically where we closed. Around there, kind of, sort of. This is regular trading hours. This is the adjusted time. But it basically went down to where New York closed, you know, yesterday. And then it bounced off of it by how many points now? 150 points. It's still going up. It's still going up. By the way, guys, I'm going to be on My Fund the Futures TV tomorrow at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Eastern. I will be on My Fund the Futures TV tomorrow for a half hour. My second appearance. Nayo, what's up? Hey, Nayo, you see that? I sent you that free account that you won. Dr. Phil, what's up, man? Vince, what up, Vince? I didn't see you, bro. I hope you're still here, bro. Hope you're still here. Hope you're not bangers. Pine Tree. Yeah, 10 a.m. Eastern, 7 a.m. Pacific. Micah. Yeah, bro. What size XF? Oh, that you must be over the you know, you must have the account big enough that you could trade with 5. Kevin Tobias, what up? Alfred, 0 Day Jason here. Smash the like button for 0 Day Jason. You know, we did cross a million Well, yeah, I celebrated that yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before? We hit a million views on the channel. I didn't even realize it. The last time like I was paying attention, I was like, wow, I'm at like 724,000 views. And then I took a little peek. I wasn't even looking for that. I was just looking at that little bio section. I was like, holy fuck, I got over 1 million views, which is crazy. So obviously, thank you guys again. Couldn't have done it without all of you guys coming and hanging out or watching my videos, whoever watches my update videos. I put out a pretty cool video yesterday about it was a take profit trader versus bulenox type of comparison video. And I only focused on one thing, and you guys know what it is, right? You guys know what I focus on in terms of the glaringly obvious fucking difference in why take profit trader is better. Eddie, what up? What up, Eddie? QO Bill, Newts, T Cooper. Too much humidity out here, guys. That's the thing, Alfred. It could have. I don't think all of it was. I don't think. Obviously, not all of it, right? But there was definitely a stretch of time when my numbers were manipulated. But YouTube goes back and they remove a lot of that shit. They remove the likes and the views and shit like that. Hard hat, yeah. There it is, hard hat. Exactly. That's what I was talking about. I talk about it all the time. And that's why, like, I'm at 8,000 subscribers right now, but that same fucking shit was going on where for a stretch after I kind of got the whole bot shit under control and all that, or that kind of subsided or whatever, and the spam likes, all of a sudden my fucking channel was getting bombarded with fake subscribers for like a week and a half straight. And it was like my channel went up by 2,000 subscribers. Yeah, does my channel grow every day? Of course. It goes up by 15 to 20 subscribers on average, most, during the week, most of the time. And all of a sudden it fucking shot up. I blew through 6,000, 7,000. I was at 75, 7,600, and then it kind of just died out and went back to normal. Now I'm at 8,000 subscribers. So it kind of fucked up my whole, like, hey, I like to celebrate milestones, Cut from above. What up? Yeah, how hard can it be? How hard can it be? 2 points is a lot. That could be another hour. Peter Schapp, what up? Yeah, Palmy. Yeah, man. Coach Fred. So like, I don't know what to make of it. The one thing I can measure, and I could say, oh, milestone is like the Discord. Every 100 fucking members, we do a giveaway. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, maybe later. I don't know. Benny. Vince. Maybe I will. Jay Stores. John Q. Yeah, it's as hard as it is easy. How hard can it be, guys? You know what's annoying me about these 3 accounts now? I'm copy trading these, but they're all different. They're all fucking different. How annoying is that? Oh, man. So now we're back to fucking not moving at all? Is that what we're doing? As soon as I hop on the stream? I had to run back and get fucking eggs around this time. I had to run to the store and get eggs and shit and turkey for the dog. So I missed a lot. I did catch some of it because I didn't leave yet. I showered and then, but yeah. Pine Tree. Willie Trades Futures. What up? Yeah, they got rid of the daily loss limit. I mean, what else can you ask for from them? That was huge. Them getting rid of the daily loss limit. It's fucking great. I'm used to trailing drawdown. Are we dropping it? Like, what are we doing? What are we doing? We're back to this shit again? We're high as fuck, though. We are high as fuck. We came down here and bounced from there. This was a level I drew based on some daily fucking candles, some wicks, actually. And we literally came back down to this shit and bounced right off of it. That was what? 225 points ago, which really isn't a lot. It is and it isn't. I don't know. Are we dropping here? Looks like we're going to roll over. But I don't trust this shit. I don't trust anything anymore. Someone said there's a bond. Is there, what was it, a bond auction? What up, P? There's a bond auction at 10 o'clock. Well, at 1 o'clock, sorry, 1 p.m. Eastern. I feel like that's a fucking market mover. Yeah, this price action. Yup. I'm not hanging out for too long, but I'm hanging out. You know what's funny? You see this account? Micah was pointing it out before. I don't know how the fuck this account is still in here. 851. I don't know how this account is still in here. But this one, Jesus. It's been 84 years. It's fucking fuck. It's already down 20 points from the top. We bounce in here, or we're just going to keep going down. I'd hate to get in over here and then get fucked on the bounce off of like this area right here. Maybe a retest to fucking 34 here. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, so Apex is 80% off again, guys. They brought back the sale. They didn't really announce it. I didn't announce it in their Discord, but if you go to their site and they put in the best code, you put in the best code ZERODAYJay, you should get 80% off. Because look, you go to apex.com, apextraderfunding.com. Look. There it is. 12 days. That's like, they're like, fuck it. Let's just add another fucking 2 weeks. That's what that is. They must have did it last night or something. I don't even know. What up, Newts? Yeah, Newts. He's the reason I got shaken out of that fucking trade, bro. That motherfucker. T. Cooper. Uh-oh. 7-year note auction at 1 p.m. Appreciate it. I'm not saying uh-oh because of the auction. I'm saying uh-oh because I got filled. Because what I thought was going to happen just happened. Like, I was like, it's going to fucking bounce off of this area potentially. Now I'm like, is it going to keep going up or is it going to come back down and drop? I don't fucking know. It's just been that kind of fucking day. It's just been that kind of fucking stretch of trading for me, man. I just feel like sometimes I just don't know what the fuck is going to happen. And when I'm right, I don't have enough faith in the fucking move. Because it just, there goes all my gains. See what I'm saying? Fuck, man. So fucking annoying. Damn, bro. That wouldn't be a bad spot for like a retest and then a fucking pullback and to go back down lower. But no, not today. Not lately. Not lately. But if I would have went long around here, it would have fucking came down. I just know it. I just feel that's just how I feel lately with my trading. And somehow I got fucking paid 4 days in a row from Take Profit Trader. Thank God for Take Profit Trader. What up, AS? Drifter, Hotshot, Almas. When I trade, I don't shoot for 2,000 on funded accounts. I play a game called Pass or Smash with evals where I'm shooting for the profit target. I'm trying to get it done in one trade with evals. With funded accounts, you can't get it done in one trade. Not on Apex. Take Profit Trader, you can. You can get paid on day one. With Apex, you have to trade a minimum of 8 days. And they have consistency rules. They have a 30% consistency rule. They have a scaling rule. Oh, wow. It might actually work in my favor. But we'll see. Or are we just going to chop around again? We're just going to start chopping here for the next fucking 40 minutes? It's so fucking annoying. Elaine G, what up? Yeah, Alfred, it's awful. Kevin Tobias, man. I'm sorry, bro. That's the best part about the prop firm streets. There's so many other options. So you don't have to fucking, you know, like I'm on probation with Top Step. I'm on the Focus Trader program. Is that what it's called? The Focus Trader plan? Hold on, let me look. So I can't go and just buy as many whatever accounts I want with them. I have to go and hit up support and ask for permission to have my one account that I'm allowed to have, which I will never fucking hit them up and ask for. Hold on. Focus Trader. What is it called? Focus Trader plan, guys. I'm in the Focus Trader plan. I'm focused as fuck. But you know what? I just won't trade with them. I'll trade. I can still trade with Apex. I trade with Take Profit Trader. My Fund the Futures. Trade Day, bulenox. Fine with me. So, you know, that's the best part about all of it. Come on, drop it! Get the fuck down there! I thought maybe if I yelled at it. iTrade, what up? I think I said what's up, but I don't fucking remember. Next trade, Lou. Yeah, it is. It's stupid. It's super stupid, but whatever. Basically telling me how much money I can or cannot spend with them. I bet, Alfred. Yeah, I want to get back. I want to get another fucking funded trade day account. I blew that other eval. I blew the 2 funded accounts I had like within like seconds during some nasty fucking drop and pop last week or the week before. I would like to get them again. I'm not asking. Yeah, Dakota's approval. I could go on the stream and in the chat say, pretty please. I'm on the Focus Trader plan, and I was told that I have to ask you guys for my account, please. Yeah, okay, I'm good on that. Come on, keep fucking going down, bitch. Let's go. At least give me this. Let's go. Oh my God, yo. That's what I'm talking about. It just doesn't give me some continuation. I know I'm going to fucking move it down here and it's going to fucking come back up and up. I might as well just take this. I might as well just fucking take this because who the fuck knows? Let's go! Get the fuck down there! Oh, let's go. Clear those fucking wicks, yo. Clear those wicks. All right, I'm locking in what? 7 points? 8 points. Locking in 8 points. Give me this fucking take profit, bitch. Let's go. Hit it. Oh my God, you fucking piece of shit. Are you fucking kidding me? Hit that shit. Hit it. Don't come. Oh, you fucking cocksucker. It's going to come back up. It's coming back up. Don't do it. Come on. Hit it. Hey! That's a fucking day 2 right there. Day 2.5, motherfuckers. Oh, baby. Woo! What up, Desmond? Stacks. What up? Jose Carlos. What's good? Yeah, that'll happen, Jose Carlos. Exhaustion comes in. That's right. That's fucking right. Oh man, B33, Mystic Rick, Allah. Oh man, this shit is moving so fucking slow. God damn it, bro. I wish I could play pass. Yeah, these are funded accounts. No pass to smash here. Falling asleep looking at these fucking candles. Benny, Micah. Oh, Micah. It might go back up, bro. Miss Goody. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Avi, thank you. You know what's funny, Avi? I grew up with a kid named Avi. He lived down the block from me. Never really hung out with him all that much in elementary school, and then I bumped into him at the community college. And like we were homies at fucking Nassau Community College for a little while. We'd like fucking smoke blunts and shit before class. Anytime I see him, like, yo, Jim Blob, pull up 1 second chart. I know. It's so fucking bad. It's so bad. I mean, this right here, like this, once we finally broke out of this and this happened, this popped kind of good, and then this dropped really, really fast. Like, look at these candles are bigger, but then it just went back to this dog shit. Great people have that name, yeah. So, yeah, I just blew my load. I need a cigarette now. What a sweet release. Carlos, what up? So, you know, I'm kind of just, listen, I mean, I still have a chance to get more payouts at the end, you know, this month on Monday. Will I go for it? Absolutely. It's going to be hard though, because I got to go up 4,500. So we'll see. But I've done it before, so I know I could do it again. But yeah, I mean, I'm okay with where this month finished up. If I don't get another payout for the rest of the month, I went from getting nothing for the first 11 days and fucking myself out of payouts. If you count the bulenox, I fucked myself out of $11,000 worth of payouts between Apex and bulenox this month. Didn't get my first payout until the 12th. I got $1,560 from Top Step. The other 6,000 plus was from fucking Take Profit Trader. Isn't that crazy? And I went a long time before ever getting a single payout from Take Profit Trader. Longer than any other firm that I trade with. Longer than any of them. And then in April, I broke the seal. I cracked it. I cracked the code finally. I popped my cherry. And I don't even know how much I got a lot from Take Profit Trader between April and June. I can tell you that. Probably at least 10 grand, more than that. Probably like 12 to 15 grand. It's just funny how that works. I'm good at fucking growing an account fast. Not so good, not as good growing it over time. JC Trades. Micah. I might, bro. But like, it's hard to trade that shit in this type of chop. I need something like this to happen. You know what I mean? Or this. It's just tough because like the candles, 15 minis is fucking $300 a point. So even if I'm up $300 or $400, let's say I get to 3,000, I'm in the position, I'm up 3,000 or 4,000, and then it pulls back on me fucking 10 points. You know, I'm gonna fucking eat away at that drawdown. K. Soliman, what up? I wanted to get on earlier, but I just got caught up in trading and I needed to run to the store to get eggs and turkey for my wife. Otherwise, I would have came on sooner, but it is what it is. And I'm gonna be on for Power Hour. I will be giving away accounts for Power Hour, so at the end of the day, I decided. So if you wanna participate in the giveaway, make sure you come back for Power Hour. Not going to do it now. I'm just going to dangle the carrot just enough for you to come back. Probably give away, you know, for 8,000 subscribers. It's really, in my head, it's like 6,000 to me because of what I knew happened. Road Dog, yeah. Ja, what up? You like that shit, bro? Drifter, no doubt. Yeah, if you guys want to hang out, Hey, if you're not a part of the best community on these prop firm streets, where the DCA gang hangs out, the DGen fam. Oh, Maximus, of course, bro. I know that, man. I know. And then he drops the number. No numbers now. I'm not doing it now. Vincenzo. One of my best friends in fucking life. His name is Vincenzo. My boy Vinny. And his parents, like, literally off the boat from Sicily. And all they would do is yell at him in Italian. And they probably weren't even yelling at him. They probably just talking to him. But they were yelling. And they called him. His mom always said, Fiche, Fiche. At least that's what it sounded like to me. Tickle. But yeah, if you want to, Ali, what up? I did. And I blew the account. I do have this one. I don't know if this came through on a rebuild. I don't remember what I did with this one. But I fucking lost $1,500 yesterday on it. It's actually, it's back to break even. I just don't have a lot of drawdown. I was up halfway. Almost. Yeah, well, that would be nice, right? They still got to get the account. I still got to pay, send them the money. Are we dropping here? Where are we going? Rejected right off of that pivot point. Let's look at the daily. You see this? This is what I was talking. This line here. This is what I said we bounced off of yesterday and just kept going up. It's these two wicks right here. Isn't that crazy? These are daily wicks. This one and this one. Amazing. Amazing. I drew that line as like an area of potential resistance. It turned out to be support. Once we got up over it and then came back down, it bounced right off of that shit. Crazy, yo. Crazy shit, yo. What's gold doing? Gold's up 220 ticks from the bottom. It's at the bottom orb now, though, so who knows? Rejected off the bottom orb. Here's the VWAP. Fuck it. Gold is crazy. 7 money bags. Jonathan Trentwell. Nice, Ali. 500, Jose Carlos, on a 50K. Anything over the buffer you could request. So the objective is to get to the buffer and beyond. These are all the buffers. Oh, let me move this shit out of the way. So they're still doing their 30% off deal, 30% off with no activation fee. When you put in the best code ZERODAYJay, and then these are the buffers. So on a 25K, it's 1,500. 50K is 2,000. 75K is 2,500. 100K is 3,000. 150K is 4,500. You can get paid on day fucking one. You can get paid every day. You could have as many as 500 accounts. 30% off, no activation fee when you use the best code ZERODAYJay. Oh, I got filled on that fucking trade. Is it going to drop? Probably. Probably. Yeah, it's rejecting off the fucking 5-minute 21. It could just fucking chop over here, but you know what? It's probably going to go down just enough to blow this account. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm not trading that good this month. But somehow I managed to get fucking just under $7,600 worth of payouts after doing nothing for the first 11 days. DBT in the place to be. What up, kid? Diljit. Thank you. Thank you. To use NinjaTrader, I think there's a free version of it. I don't use NinjaTrader. I don't really know too much about that other shit. I can't use NinjaTrader. I can't use NinjaTrader. I can't use Quant Tower. I can't use Rhythmic. So I just don't. Funded Edge. Thank you. HR. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, because I'm on a Mac, yo. And I'm perfectly fine with TraderVate. I like TraderVate. Works fine for me. If I want to fucking put everything together and copy trade, I could use fucking TradeSyncer, but I really just don't feel like paying for it. Josh. They have a web version now? What up, Johnny? Oh, nice job, bro. Nice fucking job. Yeah, man. Treat it good and it will treat you good. Yo, next trade, Lou. It's not really my birthday. HR just likes to wish me a happy birthday every day. My birthday's in September, but I appreciate the birthday wishes. Yo, hell yeah, Johnny. Literally every time he comes on, he's like, yo, happy birthday, coach. This fucking price action is such ass, bro. You think we pop on that auction or drop? Opium, what up? Oh, you could try to win one later. So, like I was saying, Granny, you think pop, huh? Like I was saying before, take profit trader, 30% off, no activation fee. I'm about to drop my links all over everyone's face, yo. All over your face. 80% off Apex. They brought it back. 80% off Apex, yo. I know a lot of people are waiting on 90% off, but I just don't know when that's going to happen again. You know, they do it. They do it. They just don't do it as often. So 80% is about as good as it gets. Yeah, it's trailing, Johnny. So just, you know, keep that in mind. Yep. Keep that in mind. Get up there, please. Is that where it's going to reject at this fucking shit right here? Or can we go a little higher? What up, Tyler? Tyler. Yeah, maybe. Do they do 4th of July sales? You know what I remember last last year? I feel like they were they did 90% off. Around this time is when they introduced for the first time the $85 lifetime activation fee. But they only did it on certain accounts. They did it on all the big accounts or some shit. And then they made it for every account. That was fun. Les, what up? Franny. Yeah. Well Charts is $85 a month, and so is Rhythmic. Like if you have an account for 30 days, a really good chance you got a payout. Give you an example of trailing drawdown. No matter where, like whatever your last high is, anything you go down, if you're under the buffer, as long for however long you're under the buffer, wherever your high point is, your drawdown is going to go down from there. So if you go up, let's say you go up $500 in a trade and it pulls back $500, you will go from $1,500 a drawdown on that 25K to 1,000. Once you get over the buffer, it's static. Oh yeah, Jonathan. Yeah, we all did. It was great. Real degenerate shit was going on during that fucking shit. And I'm in this oh man, is it really going to reject off this 34 here? We got new hour fuckery right now, so who knows what's going to happen. But man, that would have been cool if it just kept going up, right? It was only 9 points. My funded futures right now, if you've never had an account with them, see profit, take profit. I want more. 1,500 is the buffer. Yeah. 1,500 is the buffer on a 25K, Johnny. My fund of futures is doing 50% off for new users on any type of account. And right now, if you buy existing users, if you buy an expert or starter plus account and pass it, you'll get a free one. I don't think you need to pass it by the end of this week, but the deal ends on Sunday. They extended it. It was that popular. They decided to extend it. Or they just couldn't think of anything else to do, so they just decided they got lazy and extended it. Whatever. But when you use the best code, you can take advantage of that deal. Here's my link. Here's my link. Really? This shit's coming back? You fucking bitch. Gross. Whatever. What else is going on? Trade day, 40% off trade day. You could have as many as 3 accounts now. When you use the best code, ZERODAYJAY, bulenox is 83% off. Option 1. I got to activate my funded account that I fucking passed. Damn, bro. Damn, son. Damn, homie. In high school, you was the man, homie. What the fuck happened to you? I don't know. I don't know. I'm just glad these funded accounts I got up another $1,100. That's cool. I did something good today. And I didn't fuck up this account. I'm happy about that. I'm really pissed off about this funded account, though. I thought I had another day or two. I wanted to get paid today. I wanted to get paid tomorrow and potentially Monday. And I could have maybe potentially had another 5-figure month, but it's not in the cards anymore for that account. I will have a chance on fucking Monday. We'll see, though. We will see. Bacon, what up? What's the best code? Oh, ZERODAYJAY is the best fucking code. Let me type it in here. Best code, ZERODAYJAY. 4, Take Profit Trader, Apex, My Funded Futures, Trade Day, and bulenox. It's got the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the prop from Streets. I have no actual data to confirm that, but the DGN data in the chat, on the stream, in the Discord, where we all hang out, tells me this is the case. DB, yeah, very. It's awful. It's awful. Why am I back from the Army? Why? This is the way that I talk. Obviously, you don't know me. I talk loud. I'm from New York. We're always talking over each other. So, oh, man. You know what sucks? I got to get off. I got to get off of this shit. I want to see how this trade plays out. I feel like I'm going to get fucked. Whatever happens with this trade, can I at least last a fucking... Is it going to drop just enough to fucking blow the drawdown? I don't know. This is just bullshit. This is awful price action. Yeah, less. Yeah. You ever see this? You ever watch the Chappelle Show? The Samuel Jackson beer skit? This is the way that I talk. Haven't you seen my movies? They ate me. A fucking shark ate me. Alexander. Oh my God. I'm so glad I don't fucking live anywhere near there. Jack Boom. That guy literally is an out and open fucking socialist, commie fuck. Crazy. And they're going to fucking vote for him. He's going to win. He's going to win. I guarantee it. Crazy. He's going to make Mayor Adams look like fucking the best mayor ever. And Eric Adams is a fucking skell. Crazy, bro. New York City is already a fucking shithole. Wait till you see if that guy gets in, this other guy, this guy who's never had a fucking job in his life, this guy, if he gets in, Wait till you see what kind of fucking shithole New York City becomes, even more so than it already is. Yup. Everyone else moved to Florida. Yo, fucking crazy. It's crazy. This is awful. I'm like, I could literally fucking, I would rather watch paint dry than look at this fucking, look at these candles. New hour fuckery is usually fucking fun. Like, this is new hour fuckery. This is the new hour fuckery. I took a screenshot earlier today in the Discord. Same shit. A couple hours ago. Was this it right here? Yeah, this was new hour fuckery here. It's just fucking brutal. All right, we got these auctions, right? This is, I don't even know if it's a cuck zone. This whole market is a big cuck. I don't know what to make of this shit. Great. Oh, wow. All right, new hour. Trevor LeConte. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. He's here. Yeah, Jim Blob. Yeah. They don't seem to give a fuck, man. They love that shit. How do you trade? What's the point? How do I trade? I mean, well, how do I trade? I guess my way in and I guess my way out. Is this auction happening? Awful fucking shop. You think so, Doomlord? Well, if that's the case, then this account's going to blow. You're from Romania. I know guys from Romania. Everybody's name. How is your name not Yonut? Everybody I know from Romania is named fucking Yonut or Kata, Catalin. I know like literally like 2 or 3 Catalans, Catalins, and like 3 or 4 fucking Yonuts. And I worked with. They all worked in the same place. Oh, come on, keep going. This is resistance here. This little fucking zone right here. This cuck zone. Lower my take profit. I want 25 points so I could get $1,500. Wow, that was the auction pop. Was that the auction pop? Yeah, rejected off of this fucking cuck zone. So bad. This price action is awful, bro. Awful. 620. Yeah, that's like right around here. Hey, wake me up. Wake me up when something happens, all right? I'm going to take a nap real quick. So fucking bad. Just give me a little fucking dildo pop here. Okay, Suleiman. Yeah, this isn't a red folder event, bro. The only red folder event you don't want to trade, K, with Take Profit Trader is FOMC, CPI, non-farm payroll. Even FOMC minutes, which is anything FOMC. And then if you trade crude, don't trade crude oil inventories. If you trade bond-related shit, don't trade bond auctions like what's going on right now. Really, it's just a minute before, during, and after. Don't have any open orders. Don't be in a position. With funded accounts with Take Profit Trader. Is that it? It didn't even get up to 20. Les, I go crazy no matter what, bro. You know what I used to call my boy Katalin? Well, it's like his short was Kata. So I would call him hello. I'd say, hello, Kata. That was my homie. He was like I worked with him like he was a program. All these guys were developers. I worked with that guy regularly. Yo, what up, Cube? What up, Cube? Hello, Kata. Oh, there's 20. Did it hit 20? 1850. Come on, give me a little dildo pop. Little dildo pop to this Take Profit. Get to the top of this cuck zone. Maybe I should fucking lock in gains. Get to the top of this fucking cuck zone. I'll lock it in at the bottom of the zone. That doesn't mean I'm inviting it to come back down as soon as I fucking let go. It'd be cool if it went up a little more. Get up there. Are you fucking serious? It fucking knew. It fucking knew. It's like, oh, Jay just put his fucking stop in there. They just put a stop in there. Fucking bullshit. Unfucking believable. Remember 628.50. Unfucking believable. I told you that was gonna happen. Casa List, I know, bro. I should fucking know better. Whatever. It's up 675. I'll trade it some more later. I would like to fucking pass this thing and have my funded futures account because I'm pretty good at getting paid by my funded futures. It's just you just don't get a lot. Anyway, guys, I got to bounce. I'll be back on for Power Hour. Yash, bro, Yash, you're hopping on at the worst possible time. I'm getting off. Smash the like button on your way out, guys. I'll be back on for Power Hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. I'll be back on in 2 hours, all right? I will see you guys in a little bit. Hey, join the Discord. If you're not in there yet, join the Discord. The White Trash DGen Treehouse. It's where all the cool people hang out from all over the world. All shapes, colors, and sizes. All right, guys. I will be on later. Hope to see you then. Thanks again. Smash the like button. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace!